ignoring her isn't making her to suffer. It teaches her how to live without you. Men, they think she is yet. No, it teaches her how she lives without you. Because sometimes you say, I want to ignore her. What? I want her to be desperate without me. What? She can't live without me. But it teaches her to live without you. Men, they think she is suffering because you are not around. No, you know that when you are used that you are living alone, you don't have a partner, you can be used for it. So sometimes when you are ignoring your partner, don't think that person is going to be desperate. You can be desperate at the first in time because you are not used, your partner is ignoring you. What you can be stressed to have depression of that issue, but when it pass, maybe you can be used, you are staying alone, isn't making you to suffer, especially women. Because women who can be desperate, you know that men of nowadays, they think maybe when they ignore us, maybe we can be suffer. What they want to see us complain, crying. Maybe I'm crying, that why nowadays you are not calling me, why are you not checking me nowadays? Because at those days I'm desperate, but when it passes, I'm used now to live without you. It doesn't making me to suffer sometimes, especially when you are busy. You know that when your partner is ignoring you, keep yourself busy, do something making your mind busy, that maybe you can forget about that person. You understand? Be busy with yourself. Don't concentrate or to being stressed with another child. Is you know that another woman's child, because that person is ignoring you. Especially men of nowadays, they want to ignore us too much. To ignore us, we can't suffer because you ignore me. I can't suffer. I will ignore too. If I meet you at the road, I can't greet you if you don't want to greet me. Maybe you're expecting that I can be desperate, I will be follow you every time. No, I didn't follow you every time. I can't be desperate forever. Maybe I can be desperate. Maybe it's not my first relationship. I used to be ignored by men. But I know when I'm ignored by men, what I am doing nowadays, I'm not desperate. Especially when the man is ignoring you. Don't be desperate to show him that you are desperate with him. Ignore him too. Even you know that you are hurt, you have to pretend like you are okay and ignore to live without him. And it isn't make you to suffer because it teaches you to live without you. You understand? Especially when it's not your first relationship. You know that most of the people, they are of the men are ignoring you. You have to do the same thing. When the person is ignoring you, you are in relationship, doesn't text you or call you, don't call or text, ignore, do the same thing what he is doing.